In early 2014, the Michigan Department of Transportation plans to begin reconstruction and bridge rehabilitation along I-96, beginning east of I-275 near Newburgh Road and running east approximately 7 miles to Telegraph Road. Based upon more than 2 years of public feedback, a full freeway closure option was selected as the most beneficial approach to construction. The benefits of closing the entire freeway in the project area include completing construction sooner, reducing temporary construction work and associated costs, providing a better quality product with a smoother driving surface, and improving safety for motorists and workers. I-96 will be closed between I-275 and M39, and all freeway traffic will be detoured along alternate routes during the 2014 construction season. Eastbound I-96 traffic coming from the Brighton-Novi area will travel on eastbound I-696 to southbound M10. Eastbound M14 traffic coming from the Ann Arbor-Plymouth area will travel on southbound I-275 to eastbound I-94, or travel on northbound I-275 to eastbound I-696 and to southbound M10. Once on southbound M10, traffic will have the option to take southbound M39 back to eastbound I-96 or continue on M10 to downtown Detroit. Access to and from I-275 will be maintained throughout the duration of the project. Westbound I-96 traffic coming from downtown Detroit will travel on westbound I-94 to northbound I-275 or travel on northbound M39 or M10 to westbound I-696 to rejoin westbound I-96 southbound I-275 in Novi. Traffic headed for westbound M14 will access that freeway via northbound or southbound I-275. Local access will be maintained along the eastbound and westbound I-96 service drives with a minimum of 1 lane open in each direction throughout the project limits. Local access to the eastbound service drive from the freeway will be limited to the eastbound exit ramp at Newburgh Road, while local access from the freeway to the westbound service drive will be limited to the westbound exit ramp from the I-96 local lanes at Telegraph Road. Local access to I-96 outside the reconstruction limits will be maintained via the westbound entrance ramp at Newburgh Road and the eastbound entrance ramp at Telegraph Road. All other ramps to and from I-96 within the project limits will be closed until the freeway reopens. North and south local access will be maintained at the 37 bridge crossings using either local detours to adjacent north-south crossings or by constructing bridges part width and routing traffic onto the other side of the roadway. To minimize local access disruptions to businesses and residents, no 2 adjacent north-south bridge crossings will be closed at the same time. The Michigan Department of Transportation thanks stakeholders for their involvement and will continue to coordinate with individual businesses and neighborhood groups throughout construction. For the latest project, traffic, and construction information, and to provide your input, please use these resources.